NASA's U.S. Greenhouse Gas Center, introduced at COP28, facilitates collaborative climate efforts. Led by NASA in partnership with government agencies, it provides open-source data and tools for greenhouse gas analysis. Focused on Earth science data, the center's goals include accelerating collaboration and enhancing understanding of emissions. Built on open-source principles, it encourages user engagement and feedback, forming part of the broader Biden-Harris administration strategy to advance U.S. greenhouse gas information. Now we understand this in detail. Launch of the U.S. Greenhouse Gas Center. Initiators: NASA, led by NASA Administrator Bill Nelson, along with U.S. EPA Administrator Michael Regan and other U.S. government leaders, unveiled the U.S. Greenhouse Gas Center at COP28. Purpose: the center is established to provide open-source data and tools for the analysis and management of greenhouse gas emissions. Its primary aim is to foster collaboration in global efforts to address climate change. NASA's role and collaborations. Significance of NASA data. NASA emphasizes the importance of its data in driving the necessary changes to protect the climate. The Biden-Harris administration is committed to making critical climate data accessible to scientists, government officials, and the public. Collaborations: NASA partnered with key U.S. federal agencies, including the EPA, National Institute of Standards and Technology, and NOAA. These agencies collaborated to curate a catalog of greenhouse gas datasets and analysis tools. Center's goals and resources. Hub for collaboration. The U.S. Greenhouse Gas Center serves as a collaborative hub, bringing together U.S. government agencies, non-profit organizations, and private sector partners. Data sources. The center integrates data, information, and computer models from various sources, including the International Space Station, satellites, airborne missions, and ground stations. These resources are made available online. Lead implementing agency. NASA is the lead implementing agency, and its role involves spearheading collaborative efforts and partnerships. Center's data catalog. The data catalog focuses on three main areas: estimates of greenhouse gas emissions, providing data related to human activities contributing to greenhouse gas emissions; naturally occurring sources and sinks, offering information on natural sources and sinks of greenhouse gases on land and in the ocean; large methane emission events, identifying and quantifying significant methane emission events using aircraft and space-based data; open source and user support. Open source principles. The center is built on open source principles, meaning its datasets, algorithms, and supporting code are fully open sourced. This transparency allows anyone to test and use the data, algorithms, and results. User support and analysis hub. The center includes user support and an analysis hub that provides computational resources and an interactive visual interface for storytelling. This facilitates advanced data analysis by users. Example: dataset, NASA's EMIT mission specific. Example: the information highlights a specific dataset, methane gas information detected by NASA's EMIT mission. EMIT's functionality. EMIT, located on the International Space Station, is an imaging spectrometer measuring light in visible and infrared wavelengths. It specifically detects methane releases on Earth. Broad administration effort. National strategy. The U.S. Greenhouse Gas Center is part of a broader administration effort outlined in the national strategy to advance an integrated U.S. greenhouse gas measurement, monitoring, and information system. Conclusion and feedback. Encouraging feedback. NASA encourages feedback and ideas for the center's evolution, reflecting its commitment to continuous improvement and adaptability. The center's establishment aligns with broader governmental efforts to enhance greenhouse gas information and monitoring systems.